Hi class, today I'm going to be reading you the book Piggies, and it's written by Audrey Wood and it's illustrated by Dawn Wood. Now these two, they work together quite often to write quite a few children's books. Now when I'm looking at this book, there are definitely some clues that let me know whether it's fiction or non-fiction. So I want you to think about what animals you see and what kind of things they do in real life, and ask yourself, could those piggies be doing that in real life? Or maybe is this a book that uses a lot of imagination? Piggies. I've got two fat little piggies. I'm also noticing that they're incorporating their hands in with these piggies. Have you ever heard your parents call your fingers or your toes piggies? Two smart little piggies. Two long little piggies. So we have our two fat little piggies on our thumbs. See our two fat little piggies? We have our two smart little piggies on our pointer fingers. And we have our long little piggies on our middle fingers. We have two silly little piggies. And two wee little piggies on your pinkies. Sometimes they are hot little piggies. And look what they're doing because it's hot. Got watermelon and sunbathing and splashing in water and wearing their swimming suits. And sometimes they're cold little piggies. And look, when it's cold, what they put on their hands, they have mittens and sweaters. Sometimes they are clean little piggies. I think they must be in the bathtub. Look, this little piggy down here, he is swimming and blowing bubbles. Sometimes they're dirty little piggies. I think they must have been playing in the mud. Sometimes they're good little piggies. Look, they're reading and playing together nicely and singing and making good choices. But not at bedtime. That's when they skip down my tummy and dance on my toes. See them dance down his toes? Then they run away and hide. So I pull them together all in a row for two fat kisses on your thumbs, two smart kisses on your pointers, two long kisses on your middle fingers, two silly kisses on your ring finger, and finally two wee little tiny kisses. Good night. And that is the end. This was a really fun book to talk about your fingers, and if your parents used to call them piggies, or still do call them little piggies.